this was our start semester with digital manufacturing, where we had to do laser cutting. So we started with cutting a simple square shaped sheet, and on which I did try a lot of engravings, and this was the design for the box that I was about to build. So initially I sketched the box on a normal sheet and then tried to convert it into program, tried writing a program, and tried giving proper spaces and everything. So this shows all of that. And then, well, yeah, that is how I tried designing the whole cube. And then this was the fractal pattern that I had to create, and then I decided to design the hinges using SolidWorks and decided to 3D print all of them. So I do have a 3D printer, so I decided to 3D print everything on my own, and this is how it looked. And then I decided to cut the shapes properly using laser cutter, and well, this is how it went. So this was not the initial cube that I was making, but this was the secondary cube pattern that I was working on, which later you can see got converted into a pen stand instead of a cube itself. And well, this was me breaking down all the pieces from the laser cutter, because I had to connect all of them, and then I decided to drill holes and put screws onto them so that I could screw up all the hinges together and then connect all the faces of the cube one by one. So this was me spending all the time in the Makerspace lab trying to make sure that all of them sat together well, and then I had to check all of those pieces together. So well, and then in the next part you'll be seeing how the cube turned out to be. And yeah, there it is. So that's the cube I tried to design, that's the box. So I've stored a wallet in it, but I've also designed a couple of hinges on the inside of the cube so that I can add in more spaces, I can make more divisions. So this was the pen stand that it got converted into later, and this was the cube with all the divisions. And then yeah, this was all the different views and all the places that I carried it to, and then right clicking. So you can see that there are multiple patterns on the faces of the cube. So this was the fractal pattern, this was the Columbia University logo and the digital manufacturing return on front of it.